In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Jira on Windows. We're going to keep this simple and focused, and the first part of the process is just getting the correct installer from Atlassian's website. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Jira software download page on the official Atlassian site. Using the official download page is important because it helps ensure you're getting the latest and safest version available for Windows. Once you're on the download page, take a moment to look for the installer option. Atlassian may offer different download formats depending on the product version or deployment type, so here you want to choose the installer. This is usually the easiest option for most Windows users because it's designed to guide you through the setup process automatically. If you see multiple choices, make sure you're selecting the Windows installer rather than any archive or alternative package type. After selecting the installer, the next thing to do is click Download. This will start the download process for the Jira installer file. Depending on your browser, you may see the file appear in your Downloads bar, your Downloads folder, or in a pop-up asking where you want to save it. If that happens, choose a location that's easy to find later, such as your Downloads folder or desktop. At this point, the file may take a few moments to finish downloading, depending on your internet speed. It's a good idea to wait until the download is fully complete before trying to open it. If your browser shows a progress indicator, let that reach the end first. Also, if Windows or your browser asks for confirmation before downloading, approve it as long as you're sure you're on the official Atlassian website. A helpful tip here is to double check the file name once it finishes downloading so you know you've selected the installer and not something else. Keeping track of the exact file you downloaded can make the next stage of installation much smoother. That's all you need for this part of the setup process. Go to the official Jira software download page, select the installer option, and click Download. Once the installer has finished downloading, you'll be ready to move on to the actual installation on your Windows machine. If you're following along in real time, pause here until the download is complete, and then continue to the next part of your Jira setup.